This is how to set the clock on your Vauxhall Agila. This is a 2012 model. As long as you've got that dashboard and the two buttons either side, it should work for you. So with the ignition on or the engine running, with the clock in the window, see the little clock icon there? We're going to press and hold the left button. And then the minutes start flashing. It's one press, 1 minute. Press and hold, and it goes around a bit quicker. And then for the hour, just wait a second. There we go, it's switched over to the hour. Again, one press, 1 hour. It's a 12-hour clock, so you're going all the way around. Press and hold, goes around quicker. Not that much quicker, but a bit quicker. And then leave well alone, wait for it to stop flashing. And there you go, your clock's set. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.